Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is ASHMATUL and you can call me Aliza. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Pasuruan. I have the task of introducing myself maybe and telling you about my favorite animal and how to communicate with them. And my favorite animal is cats. Why? Because we are so cute. I like it. And cats are wonderful creatures that have been combination documents maybe for thousands of years. And what I love most about cats is their unique personalities, and it cats is different. Each each cat is different. Some are playful and energetic, while others are calm and affectionate. And maybe cats not different maybe. The way cats communicate is by making sound like meow, meow, meow. Cats are also very independent animals. They can take care of themselves, but still enjoy spending time with the owner. And I find this balance between independence and affection very special. My cats always know how to make me smile and know when I'm sad, and whatever by putting softly on my lap or my playful catching a toy. Oh, and my name the cat is Tommy. In conclusion, cats are amazing animals that bring joy, comfort, and valuabilism to our life. And I feel lucky to have my cat Tommy and as my favorite animal. And maybe because it's remind me to loving, curious, and responsible every day. Maybe thank you for your attention, and thank you for listening my story. Thank you.